In this video, I am going to find the domain of this function. Note that this function involves division. That means we are dividing by x squared plus 17. So we need to look at the denominator and make sure that no value of x yields 0 in the denominator. And if it does, then we get rid of those values. Those values are not going to be part of this function. So now let's look at the domain. We are dividing 4x minus 7 by x squared plus 17, x squared plus 17 right here. We look into the number line. This is our number line, positive numbers, negative numbers, okay. Look that if x is 0, x squared is going to be 0 in that case. So let's consider the case. X is equal to 0, x squared plus 17 is equal to 0 squared plus 17, right? Which is just 17. Obviously, that's greater than 0. What if x is a negative number? I'll just give you an example. So case 1. Case 2, x is a negative number. For simplicity, pick negative 1. So x squared plus 17 is going to be negative 1 whole square. Please make sure to write negative 1 whole square. Do not write negative 1 square, which is not equal to 1, by the way. Negative 1 square is negative 1 times 1 square, which is just 1, which is negative 1. So make sure that you understand that distinction. So negative 1 square means x squared plus 17, which is negative 1 whole square is 1 plus 17 is 18. Obviously, that's greater than 0 as well. What if the third case is x is a positive number? Keep it simple. X is 1 is going to be 1 whole square plus 17, which is, by the way, also 1 plus 17, which is 18, also greater than 0. We just found out that it doesn't matter which number we pick from the number line, because in the number line, technically, there are 3 types of numbers. The collection of positive numbers to the right of 0, collection of negative numbers to the left of 0, and then there is 0, which is neither positive nor negative, or sometimes people say it's both positive and negative. So these are the 3 types of numbers, and we have tried all 3 types. Case 1, 0, case 2, all the negatives, case 3, all the positives, right? So it doesn't matter which type of number we try, we always come up with positive value for x squared plus 17. And we have, in this process of experimenting with these 3 types of numbers, we have exhausted the entire number line. Therefore, we are okay with any number on the number line for this given function, which is to say that my domain is going to be from negative infinity to positive infinity, and you have the number line 0, and you highlight everything to the right and everything to the left. So the entire number line is your domain. So let me summarize what I just talked about. If you are dealing with a rational function, that means a function that involves division, in the denominator, if you have something like x squared plus some positive number, then the domain is always going to be the entire number line. Keep that in mind. By the way, if this positive is not positive, it's negative, then it is not true. It's always have to be x squared plus some positive number, okay? So that's when you will have the entire number line as your domain. I hope that this discussion was helpful. Thank you very much.